In primetime news this evening, healthcare workers upset. Nurse attacked by man of unsound mind outside Mapen Hospital. Decomposing body suspected to be escapee from Black River lockup found in remote area. And later, political climate heating up.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's the coming business news. Javon Keys is here. I was going to say Andrea.
Well, thank you so much, Janella. The NCB Financial Group has announced that it plans to raise additional capital through the market. So I'll have the details a little later on.
Thank you, Quizmaster. And Giovanni Dennis has a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Well, Archie, after eking out a 1-0 win in Game 1, the Reggae Boys coach is expecting another tough contest against Haiti in Game 2 of their CONCACAF Nations League clash. Tomorrow, we'll have the preview.
You know, I think things are looking up for the Reggae Boys.
Yeah.
I don't know how you feel, but...
Yeah, they're doing better than before.
Yeah, it's actually a good look. There's also sports commentary. Yeah? E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
So this evening we're asking, in the lead up to the local government election, what are some of the issues you would like addressed on the political platform?
And you can share those comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. The news in detail after the break.